Look at them so happy, they don't really need me. I would be a nuisance and I'd get in the way. When did it end? When did it end? When I was their best friend. I want to be best friends with them again. Yes, I want to be best friends with them again. Their smiles and laughter, that's what I'm after. Their friendly chat and their useful feedback. When did it end? When did it end? When I was their best friend. I want to be best friends with them again. Yes, I want to be best friends with them again.
Are you all right, Simon?
Oh, I'm fine. Thank you, Tallulah.
Do you not want to play, Simon?
No. You seem to be getting on perfectly well without me.
What's wrong with Simon? He's normally so smiley.
But by the look of him, well, he seems quite alone.
It must end, it must end. He must see he is our friend. Let's get him to play with us.
Yes, let's get him to play with us.
Simon, you're so silly. What have you been thinking?
Do you think that we would turn our backs on you?
It'll never end, it'll never end. We will always be best friends. So come on and play with us.
Yes, come on